Today, let's talk about something very important. Should you get life insurance bisag single ka? Kabalo ko nga daghang moingon,
Single raman ko, wala man ko'y family nga kailangan suportahan.
pero kay bao mo, life insurance is not just para sa mga pamilya. Life insurance can actually be a smart move bisan single pa ka. Let me tell you why. Una, it helps cover your debts. Imagine, na kay mga loans, credit card debts or car loan. Dili nimo gusto nga mabili na sa imong family, right? With life insurance, bisan nun saon, dili na ka mabalaka sa mga utang nimo. Kadua, it can help with final expenses. Kabalo ta tanan nga mahal kay ang funeral costs. With life insurance, masiguro nimo nga dili mahimong burden na sa imong pamilya. Ikatulo, investment pod ni para sa imong future. Naay mga life insurance plans nga naay savings components. So samtang nagbayad ka, nag-ipon pod ka para sa imong future. And lastly, you can leave a legacy. Bisan single ka, you might want to leave something para sa charity or someone nga importante nimo. Life insurance can help you do that. So, should you get life insurance bisan single ka? The answer is yes. It's not just about having dependents. It's about being responsible and prepared for the future. Being financially smart starts with the right choices. If now may questions or you need help, feel free to message me. Let's secure your future together. Always remember, stay protected and stay financially smart. Follow for more.